Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add wishlist in Shopify Dawn Theme. Starting from your Shopify admin, first, click on the apps section located on the left side. Then proceed by selecting all recommended apps. Subsequently, click on the banner at the bottom labeled Shopify App Store, which will redirect you to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, input wishlist and select the top result. Among the various wishlist apps available, one highly recommended option is Wishlist Plus. Click on Wishlist Plus followed by Install. Once the Install app prompt appears, simply click on Install to incorporate Wishlist Plus into your store. Now you will need to choose an option before proceeding. I will choose this one, then click Continue. I will skip the survey for now. You'll be presented with available plans, but we will stick with the free plan. Select the free plan and then click Continue. Next, choose the type of wishlist button you prefer. Options include a floating button, a navigation menu item, or a header menu item. I will choose the header menu item. Click Continue. Now select the desired appearance for the button. I will choose the one featuring a heart icon and add to wishlist. You can adjust the color if needed. Click one more step. Enter your from name and reply to email. If you don't have this information now, you can proceed by clicking Finish Setup. Additionally, upload your store logo if desired. I will click Finish Setup to complete the process. Confirm that your changes have been saved. To make Wishlist Plus live on your Shopify store, navigate to the theme editor and enable it. I will do this quickly to activate the pop-up. Once Wishlist Plus is activated, you will see it here. Save the changes and return to your Shopify admin. Visit your store to observe the implemented changes. And that is all there is on how to add wishlists in Shopify Dawn Theme. Thank you for watching. Please do like and subscribe to our channel and see you in our next video.